As we discussed in the previous section of the course, in the 21st century, artificial intelligence is quickly becoming a key factor in the way our society operates. In this section of the course, I will discuss how AI is changing society as we know it. From bridging language divides to transforming government, AI is literally influencing every aspect of our lives right now. Many in the field consider this period of time the fourth industrial revolution. But what does that even mean? The fourth industrial revolution refers to this current era of technological progress, in which we are seeing rapid advancements in fields such as AI, robotics, and the Internet of Things. These technologies are having a profound impact on many industries and are driving a new wave of innovation and efficiency. Let's put this into context. Throughout history, there have been several industrial revolutions, each of which marked a significant shift in the way goods were produced and the way society operated. 1760 to 1840 marked the first industrial revolution. This revolution was characterized by the rise of mechanization and the use of steam power in manufacturing and transportation, followed by the second industrial revolution from 1870 to 1914. This revolution saw the widespread adoption of electricity, the internal combustion engine, and mass production techniques. The third industrial revolution came 55 years after the second, from 1969 to 2010. This revolution was characterized by the widespread adoption of information technology and automation in manufacturing and other industries. The fourth industrial revolution, also known as Industry 4.0, comes straight on the back of the third revolution from 2010 to present day. It is characterized by the convergence of technologies such as artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, and automation. It is having a significant impact on society by changing the way we work, communicate, and interact with one another. It is also bringing about significant changes in manufacturing. For example, AI is being used to increase efficiency, reduce costs, and improve product quality through the use of smart automation technologies such as robotics, machine learning, and computer vision. Healthcare. For example, AI is being used to diagnose and treat diseases, identify potential treatments, and even predict the risk of certain conditions. Education. For example, AI is being used to personalize learning and create virtual tutors that can provide personalized instruction. Transportation. For example, AI is being used to create autonomous vehicles that can navigate complex environments and even provide ride-sharing services. Government. For example, AI has been used to improve the efficiency of government services and to automate processes such as document management. Art. For example, AI has been used to create art, allowing for the generation of unique and creative works that would otherwise be impossible to produce, and many other fields. In terms of job creation, AI has the potential to automate many manual tasks, freeing us up to focus on higher level tasks, as well as to create entirely new types of jobs. It also poses new challenges in terms of data privacy and security. But according to a survey conducted by the World Economic Forum in 2018, 78% of executives believe AI will have a positive impact on their business. This shows that businesses are embracing AI and that it is becoming increasingly important for them to stay ahead of the competition. With all of these changes, as a business professional, it is important not to get left behind. Those who are familiar with the basics of AI will be better equipped to understand and navigate these changes, and may be more likely to find new opportunities and stay competitive in the job market. In this section, we have discussed how AI is transforming society by creating new jobs, bridging language divides, transforming government, delivering healthcare, and creating art, and why, as a business professional, it is important to keep up with AI advancements. Here's a fun AI fact. In 1997, the first AI computer beat the world's greatest chess player, Garry Kasparov. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you in the next section.